people already started googling. People already started research. Ano pa si Jetor? So, ang ingay ni Jetor last year. So, last year pala, marami nang nag-aabang dito sa Jetor 2.
Very stylish design, rugged appearance. It is a vehicle that you can bring off-road. Alloy wheels 20 inches.
It uses a 2.0 turbo gas direct injection engine.
Consumers who would want to go outdoor activities, they can definitely break this and enjoy outdoors.
We are here to introduce to you the new Jetor T2. And having said, limited edition, dashing, this is our plug-in hybrid. Ito pong mga bago nating product line, gusto namin makita nyo, maka-experience kayo. We have some test drive units outside. Marami po tayong very affordable vehicles here on show at the MIAS 2024.
I extend my sincerest gratitude for your unwavering support and enthusiasm to Jetor. Wishing you all a splendid and blessed experience ahead. Thank you!